So I'm just finishing up on my third season running the Power Pole Move, and I run the 60-inch ZR model in that. But one of the things that's brand new about this is an option that I actually just put on the motor, and it's a new prop that's available. And the first thing you're gonna see right away is it looks different. We're talking the regular composite plastic prop versus a full stainless steel prop right here. Stainless steel prop is much heavier, obviously, and some of the reasons that you'd want the stainless steel prop are the fact that it's not going to crack, it's not going to scuff, it's not going to break. It's obviously a lot stronger being that it's stainless steel. Other thing is, what I've noticed is being that it's heavier, it even, to me, in open water scenarios, has made the motor quieter. The edge of this stainless steel prop does a fantastic job slicing that vegetation. One of the cool things that you get with the stainless prop also is you get a reverse button on the trolling motor. So just like your anchor button or your autopilot button, you get a reverse button. So if you're drifting forward really quickly at fish, you can hit that reverse button and it actually shifts that motor in reverse for you, where you can still scan forward, but the motor is running backwards with forward-facing sonar. Okay, so pretty cool option right there. But definitely check it out. If you're a Power Pole Move angler, this new prop I've been extremely impressed with the last 2 months. Nice heavy duty one, cool looking too on that Power Pole Move.